Hey, let me talk to you like someone who's lived with this setup every day, because what I'm about to describe isn't about louder sound, it's about finally feeling like your TV's sound belongs to your room. The Signa S4 is for the kind of person who's tired of TV audio that sounds thin, hollow, or like it's coming from another dimension. You want sound that doesn't fight the picture. You want clarity without excess noise. You want comfort and presence, not just volume. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Soundbars at this level shift in price and stock faster than most people expect, and hesitation usually turns into regret later. Your upgrade moment probably didn't happen with one big event. It came in small frustrations. Maybe dialogue felt buried under explosions. Maybe music and shows lacked richness unless you cranked the volume. Maybe sports commentary still sounded distant even when everything looked great on screen. That's when you realize the weak link isn't your TV, it's the audio trying to sit quietly beneath it. Once the Signa S4 is in your space, everything changes quietly but distinctly. The first thing you notice isn't bass or loudness, it's clarity. Voices land right where they should. The subwoofer adds depth without taking over. TV shows don't feel like background noise anymore, they feel present. Movies don't just play, they happen around you. You stop cranking volume because the balance finally makes sense. And it's not just about how it sounds with movies. Daily use becomes smoother. News, sports, anime, gaming, each feels tailored, not generic. You stop replaying dialogue or leaning forward to catch what was said. It just lands. Once you experience that kind of steadiness, your old speakers start to feel underpowered, unfocused, and frankly frustrating. If this soundbar has crossed your mind, don't wait on it. Check the price now. Deals in this range don't last forever, and missing one always feels worse in hindsight. You might worry it's just a TV speaker replacement. But that thought disappears fast. The subwoofer doesn't boom aimlessly, it extends the range without wobbling the mid-range. VoiceAdjust and BassAdjust aren't gimmicks, they work. Dialogue sits forward. Low end feels articulate. Everything feels intentional. Here's the part most people don't anticipate, your whole living space feels more cohesive. You don't hear the TV and the room separately anymore. You hear one complete experience sound that works with the picture and your environment, not against it. Voices stay clear in every scene, lows feel deeper but controlled, your room suddenly feels fuller, watching feels more immersive, you enjoy sound without effort, it's not designed for massive rooms, it rewards proper listening position. Eventually, you stop comparing stats and spec sheets. You realize you keep gravitating toward this because it already solves the real problem you had, audio that finally matches what you see without hassle or compromise. Cheaper alternatives feel thin. More expensive ones feel unnecessary for everyday use. Don't let this be one of the upgrades you put off and then think about months later. Check availability, make the move, and finally let the sound of your favorite content match the way you want to feel when you watch it.